garden. Pretty. Got old barns and stuff here. Got all pioneer looking here. Let's see what this sign says. Blue River Mills.
No.
Tucker's exploring here. Let's go check this place out. They got handicap parking right down there. And the handicap sign ramp to go up to it. Let's see. The handicap parking, the emblem there. Need to redo them. Looks like they're peeling. This is nice back here. We'll learn a little bit about history of this area and handicap accessible. There's a sign. Huh? Oh, okay. I see it. Right back here. Cider press. No pets allowed in the building. Open Tuesday through Sunday. This is nice. Learn about nature and everything. Oh, have mercy. Oh, I hate snakes. I hate snakes. Oh. I hate snakes. They scare me. Oh, turtles. I got turtles down there. Can you see the turtles?
Okay, I'll take the small apple butter.
Yep, this girl does not like turtles. I mean, it's not turtles. Snakes. Snakes. This got all different types of plants. A little learning history back in here. Hey, I thought I lost Jim and Tucker. They're back in here. Hey, Tucker. Hi, Tucker. You ain't go tell everybody hi? Ah, there, Tucker, tell everybody hi. Let's check this building out. I don't know if it's open or not. Yeah, it's open. All about the history of this area. The mill and everything. We even have the restrooms back here in this one building. And the bathroom there was very handicap accessible, so that's a good thing. I want to see. Oh, over here it's like spinning. Oh, I always love watching them do that. The spinning thing, weaving and all that. It's just amazing you can make a rug from that. All right, let's go explore some more. Hey now, I love this thing. I had one when me and my Jim first got married. I thought it was so cool to have one. Ringer washer. This is like an old farm, isn't it? Well, there's my next home. Yeah, reminds me of the Clampett house. A little log cabin. Oh, check out these cows. Big old bull there. Big old long horns. Woo-wee. Back there we got some donkeys. See the donkeys? Donkeys will keep the coyotes and the wild animals away from the cows. Hello. How are you today? Oh, doing just fine. Just watching how you people look at me. Ooh-wee. Well, look who I found back here. It's Tucker, another half of New Horizons. Jim, hi Tucker. You swinging? You swinger, you. Got all kinds of little cabins back in here. Nice little historical place. Tucker, Tucker. Hi, Mommy. Hi, everybody. Hi, Tucker here. Ooh, to all the ladies, I said hi. Okay.
Must be a smoke room. Yeah, smokehouse. You see smokehouse?
Mm-hmm.
Come on.